Hello everyone, back tuning into today's first video in the 5-day forecast, today's first video, and then later on we'll have a look at the next 40 days with the Beijing Climate Centre. Tonight we'll do the final update for Le Mans, so quite a lot coming up today at the website. But the 5-day forecast, as it suggests, is going to look at whether the next 5 days. We're going to use charts from weathertech.de and also radar picture weatheroutlook.com, charts at the end for Weather Outlook as well. You can find a link to both those websites on the links page. And just say about the ads, there's links right across all the pages. If you have a browser widgets and click through links, you'll be helping to pay for the website. So we'll start with a radar picture, and we've got two areas of rain today. A general mass of persistent rain across many parts of Scotland, particularly central and eastern parts of Scotland. Then it turns drier through much of northern England, and then we come down into towards the Midlands, parts of Wales, central southern England, and we find more heavy showers beginning to break out. We'll have a look and see whether there's any lightning with those yet. There's a few flashes there to the south and southeast of London. Not much lightning at the moment, but I think the showers will turn increasingly thundery again through the course of this afternoon, because there will be further convective potential. We're in a trough of low pressure today, under a depression as we have been over the past couple of days, and that trough will be staying with us through the next couple of days as well. We'll clear away to the east over the weekend. So for the rest of today, we're going to find persistent rain continuing across Scotland. Some of it will be quite heavy. Elsewhere, showers will break out. Could be some thunderstorms mixed in place as well, particularly through parts of Wales, the Midlands. Won't be too surprised if we see further pictures of flash flooding and the roads being awash once again. Not everywhere will get the downpours, however. Some places will manage to dodge them and stay dry, but there's going to be a lot of them about again this afternoon. Really a lively afternoon coming up. Temperatures turning cooler in the north. We've got a bit of a north to northeasterly wind digging in across Scotland. On about persistent rain. Going to be quite a cold feeling day with temperatures of just 12 or 13 degrees. Still quite humid though in the south and southeast with temperatures around 20 or 21. And as I say, fairly humid feel despite those showers across parts of eastern and southeast England. Overnight tonight, we keep the trough of low pressure over the top of the country. The showers will tend to ease down very gradually through this evening. They'll rumble on though well into the evening, but they will ease down eventually. And a lot of places will turn dry. We'll keep that persistent rain going across eastern Scotland through the night, though that will gradually get lighter as the night progresses. Just generally turning quieter. Temperatures holding up generally in double figures, around 10, 11, 12 degrees, so another fairly mild night coming up. We do it all over again tomorrow with the showers. The trough of low pressure is still there across the country, so we've had further heavy downpours developing through England and Wales, particularly a risk of hail and thunder coming through once again. Could be thunderstorms and torrential downpours in some places. Scotland will find that band of persistent rain becoming mostly confined to the eastern coast and generally turning lighter and more showery. Temperatures tomorrow will be still fairly humid in the south, but around 19 or 20 in the north. It will turn cooler there and fresher with temperatures of around 12 or 13 degrees. That trough finally starts to clear away eastwards on Friday as the winds turn into the north. So I think England and Wales still at risk of showers on Friday. Some of them could be heavy, but maybe less of them and slightly less intense than we've had recently, but still generally quite a showery day for England and Wales. Scotland, Northern Ireland and eventually Northern England will see drier weather edging down from the north, probably with a fair amount of cloud. Best of any sunshine will be to the west. Temperatures will be turning cooler in the north as well, so just 12 to 16 degrees really from Scotland down to northern England. Southern parts of England may be still getting up to 18 Celsius, but it will be generally cooler and fresher feel all round. The weekend starts to find high pressure ridging in off the Atlantic Ocean. So we're going to find weather settling down a bit over the weekend. It will be quite chilly though, especially on Saturday. We'll start off on quite a coolish note, but the compensating factors that will have sunny spells coming through. And away from the far south and southeast, where further showers could develop, I think most places will stay dry on Saturday with a mix of variable cloud and sunny spells. Temperatures after a chilly start will eventually get up to around 15 to 20, so not far from average, but it will be a fresher feel. And on Saturday night, it could actually get notably cold for the time of year, with temperatures going down possibly as low as 2 or 3 degrees, and that is low enough for some touches of grass frost through parts of Wales and northern England. I don't think it'll be known to do any damage to your tender plants, but it will be a notably cold night, I think, on Saturday night. But Sunday, we find ourselves under this ridge of high pressure, so it's going to be a nice day on Sunday with good sunny spells coming through. And after a cold start, the strong June sunshine will lift those temperatures up closer to average, I think, between around, say, 15 or 16 degrees in the north to around 20, possibly 21 or 22 degrees down into the south, so return to the low 70s Fahrenheit. By the end of the day, low pressure will start to bring wind and rain in towards Northern Ireland and Western Scotland. And that sets the scene into Monday as a band of wet and windy weather pushes into the north and west through the course of Monday morning. Then that will spread southwards and eastwards through the course of Monday afternoon. Some of that rain could be quite heavy. Temperatures still fairly warm in the southeast, so at around 21 or 22 degrees. Finally, have a look at charts from the weather outlook, so you see about weather in your area over the next 5 days. We've got loads of showers across the country today. Some of them will be heavy, with a risk of thunder perhaps in a few places as well. We go into Thursday, again lots and lots of showers across the country, some of them heavy and thundery. Showers most across England and Wales on Friday, turning drier in the north, and that drier trend continues into Saturday, with showers becoming increasingly fine, confined to the south and southeast. Plenty of dry weather on Sunday, and then on Monday, the band of wet and windy weather moves in from the Atlantic. So in summary, it's going to be a changeable period, loads of heavy showers and thunderstorms between now and Friday, a bit drier and warmer over weekend, but with some cold nights. Back to wet and windy weather on Monday. That's all for now. We've got the 40-day look ahead with Beige Climate Centre coming up later on this afternoon. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.